In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a music player into your Webflow website using an embed code from a music hosting service. This process is straightforward and can be a great way to enhance your site with engaging audio content that visitors can enjoy while browsing. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to locate the embed code for the music you wish to feature. Start by heading over to your preferred music hosting service. For demonstration purposes, let's say you're using SoundCloud, though the process is quite similar across different platforms. Find the track or playlist you'd like to include and click on the Share button. Look for an option labeled Embed and select it. This action will reveal the embed code you'll need, which is essentially a small snippet of HTML that allows you to display the music player on your website. Once you have access to this code, the next step is to copy it. Ensure you grab the entire embed code provided by the service without missing any part, as incomplete code can result in errors or display issues. Now, with the embed code copied to your clipboard, shift your focus to your Webflow project. In your Webflow interface, navigate to the specific page and section where you want your music player to be displayed. Perhaps it's on a home page, a product page, or a dedicated music page, wherever you think it fits best within your design and user experience goals. Once there, you'll need to add an embed element. To do this, open the Add panel, typically found on the left-hand side of your Webflow editor. Scroll or search for the embed element, then drag and drop it onto the canvas where you'd like your music player to appear. With the embed element now on your page, click on it to open the custom code editor. This is where the magic happens. Paste the copied embed code from your music hosting service directly into this editor. This pasting action integrates the music player into your page structure, allowing it to be visible and functional once published. After pasting the code, go ahead and click Save and Close. Now comes the creative part. You can adjust the styling of the embed element to match the aesthetic of your website. Perhaps you want to tweak the size, color, or positioning to ensure that it blends seamlessly with your overall site design. Finally, once you're satisfied with the placement and appearance, it's time to bring your changes to the live web. Publish your Webflow site, and just like that, your music player should be up and running, ready to entertain your site visitors. By following these steps, you've effectively integrated rich musical content that can enhance user engagement and deepen the overall experience of your website. Thanks for watching, and happy web designing.